So some of the main drawbacks of cannabis medicines at the moment is that there's often a lot more in those medicines and in those cannabis products than we realize. Oftentimes we'll think we'll be taking a CBD oil, but it'll be full of all of the other minor cannabinoids as well that we've talked about: CBG, THCV, CBN, and a whole host of other compounds as well from that phytocannabinoid cannabis plant spectrum. And so standardizing medicines is really important, but it's also not the only way to control things. We can give everyone the same medicine, but because everyone's endocannabinoid system is unique, these medicines are going to affect each individual in a different way. And so personalized medicines are really the creme de la creme. That is the goal. That is where we're trying to progress cannabis medicines to. But unfortunately, at the moment, a lot of it is quite crude, and we are essentially carpet bombing the bodies of patients with a whole host of